Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. Incorporated in January 1991, Jyoti CNC Automation Limited is a manufacturer and supplier of CNC machines. The company is based in India and specializes in manufacturing and supplying CNC machines. The company's customer base includes Indian Space Applications Center, ISRO, BrahMos Aerospace Thiruvananthapuram, Turkish Aerospace, Uniparts India, Tata Advanced System, Tata Sikorsky Aerospace, Bharat Forge, Shakti Pumps, India, Shreeram Aerospace and Defense, Rolex Rings, Harsha Engineers, Bosch Limited, HAWE Hydraulics, Festo India, Elgi Rubber, National Fittings and others. IPO opens for subscription on the 9th of January, offer will close on the 11th of January. Allotment will be on the 12th of January, listing will be on the 16th of January, minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 14,895 rupees. Price band is 315 rupees to 331 rupees per share, lot size is 45 shares, total issue size is 1000 crore rupees, fresh issue is 1000 crore rupees, listing at NSE, BSE. Key performance indicator are price to earning 324.5, return on equity is 18.35%, return on capital employed is 9.50%. Debt to equity ratio is 10.17. Earning per share is 1 rupee and 2 paise, return on net worth 18 rupees.35%. The objects of the issue: repayment and/or prepayment, in full or part, of certain borrowings availed by the company. Funding long-term working capital requirements of the company, and general corporate purposes. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 150 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.